What are you doing? So, let me see your card. Do you like your card? Yeah, the ceiling. What's that? What do you have in your hand? Are you going to play the whole song ever? Get it out of your mouth. I said get it out of your mouth, you little turkey. Oh, you're being bad? Well, where'd the card go? Gotta go get it now. Gotta go get it. Give me squishy. Say bye-bye. Xander, say bye-bye. Say uh-oh. Say uh-oh. Come on, Zanny. Zan. Oh, look at my nice looking shorts. Uh-oh. No, you can't have that. All right, say bye-bye. Bye-bye for now. Bye.